darkest maybe. This is actually like the perfect like sheerness. Like this is perfect right here. Only it was dark. Alright y'all, so we are at the fabric store right now. Buying fabric for my fashion show coming up on July 9th, the day before my birthday. So I'm going through a couple of designs. Don't judge my handwriting. And it's a struggle, but it's a fun process too. So I'm thinking about using this vinyl. Yeah. So I'm looking for this design. I really want it to have a really thick leather-esque fabric. But as I'm touching this, I'm nervous. This is so thick. I'm like nervous. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up getting this stuff. This is pretty. And I might be low-key shopping for my birthday outfit. Are they striped?
They're more like a diamond pattern.
I need a tail for this. This is gorgeous. How do you drink? Fuck, I'm getting this. You know, but they're black, so like gold on black skin looks really good. But I don't want the person to be like, alright, this nigga's changing the design up like crazy. Let's get some stiff corset fabric for you. That's gonna be cute.
I'm dead.
Alright. So, I just got done shopping for most of the fabric for the fashion show. I stayed on a budget, which is like irrelevant information, but I'm pressed. The process is really starting. This is my first fashion show. I'm super excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see the look. And for me to look back on this and be like, that boy crazy as hell. So, yes, I had a good time.
How many days to the fashion show?
Today is June 24th, the fashion show is on July 9th, so I ain't gonna hold you, I'm not about to count the days, but I wanna say this is 15 days into the fashion show, I believe 15 days. So a little bit over 2 weeks. I have not finished any of the looks really, I'm not gonna lie, but we gonna see how it come out. Brandon, if you watching this, don't judge me. So, I am making my first ever collection with Urban Couture for their summer show that is jungle themed, and I am doing the water scene thing. I was approached by Brandon about 2-3 months before the show. He was really interested in me because I actually have these pieces that I make that are called wet look pieces that are made to emulate a garment being wet on your skin, but actually being dry with just fabric manipulation and draping techniques that I created myself, and they're very special to me. So he approached me and asked me to commission for 12 looks. He want 8 wet looks and 4 original designs, but also all these designs are supposed to incorporate the fill in the water. So that's what I did. It's a very special collection for me because I have a really deep connection, which just sounds so weird, with water. I'm a Cancer, crab sign, water sign. So let me just talk a little bit about where my inspiration came for the wet looks. I dove into making the wet looks years before I was approached for this project. And it basically came from, it was really just an artistic piece when I first started sewing. I didn't know much technical skills really. I just knew things I wanted to make, and I knew I wanted them to be very, not your average pieces, more of an art piece, of a statement piece than anything. This collection really is going to be a breakthrough for me. I'm very excited for it because it's been a really unique process, a very different and new experience making so many pieces, but you know, I love it. All my web pieces are, for the most part, hand sewn. They have to be for all the delicate drapings and whatnot. And it's a long process. It probably takes about 7 to 10 hours of hand sewing nonstop to get one piece done, and I have 8 pieces to do. Um, on top of my other look. So it's stressful. It's a journey, to say the least, and I am so happy to be a part of it and so grateful. And I can't wait for the world to see the collection. Of course, it's just the DMV, but to me, it's the world. I think it's really cool to look at. And I think this is just really gorgeous because you can tell. Put my hand through it. You can tell it's handmade. It's very delicate, not machine. Very, very personal. Very delicate pieces. I'm very proud of these. Each piece, each pleat sewn. It's a piece of art. Really. Really.
So what's something that you invested in that you wish you invested in earlier in your career?
I wish I invested in, honestly, I would say finding something that I was passionate about. Um, which I mean by that is when I first started sewing, I kind of felt like I was just seeing things and trying to recreate, not really having my own vision with things. So, of course, that just comes with time. So I can't necessarily say I would want it earlier. I wish I had it earlier, but in a way, I do. Also, just like something that's like not super serious, but I would also wish I invested in Amazon Prime sooner. Because, like I said, I'm very self aware and I can procrastinate like crazy. And Amazon Prime 2 day or overnight shipping is a blessing. Right now, it's Friday. The show is on Sunday, and in all honesty, nothing is completely done. Everything is worked on, but nothing is completely done, and my stress level is at 100. Like I said earlier, I did cry earlier this week because I overwhelmed myself. Um, I am pushing the clock. I'm staying up all night these next 2 days, and I am working endlessly on this collection. So between working on this collection, having other clients, my birthday's coming up on Monday, so I'm starting to celebrate tomorrow. So between a birthday dinner, a collection, clients, making my birthday outfit, getting a haircut, and just getting cute and getting prepared for Sunday, I am completely on 10 the whole weekend. And you know what? I'm ready for it. I don't want to admit it. I am nervous, but I'm anticipating this show. I know when it comes out and them girls are walking down, I'm gonna be so pressed when I'm able to walk out after them, and they're even giving me a little moment where I can have a little speech. I don't know if I'm gonna take it or not, but if I do, I know it'll be worth just seeing. I invited all my family. I got like almost 20 people coming. We are gonna pack that thing out. It's like right here. Happiness, stress level are like neck and neck, and I'm just riding the wave, enjoying myself. Yeah.
I know he said he got time.
This is a little too. That one's just. That's a win. All right, period, Taylor. But we did not. We got to break that down. So this you.
Oh, that's the only thing because it's waterfall. Okay, this looks like it. Yes. And he definitely is.
All right, thank you so much. So you can take that one off. Real good. So, cheap.
Quick razor. Somebody got a quick razor. Let me know. Okay. Y'all, where's the parking garage at? It's like literally right there.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, let me go find it.
Right there. Right. I'm not sure.
When she on, it's not tight.
Right.
Let's put this stuff in.
Robert, when you go get food, I need to go to another store. I need to talk to you.
I keep forgetting it's a pants leg. So all the ladies
Trying to kick it out.
Yeah.
You want to take her in.
The lighting is beautiful back there.
It might be you. Is your name Supernova?
Yes.
This is you, girl. So we do gotta do. This is the only dress we actually have to do a little work on.
Okay.
So
They need to close this door.
yes, I love having. I feel like we had a lot of outlets. It looks really couture.
Yes,
It looks high end.
You're right.
Thank you.
Y'all who not doing here while y'all.
And everybody looks so good.
You wouldn't, like, I wouldn't be able to do this with you.
Yeah. This is my first show.
Well, many more to come.
When y'all finish, we get to check them all out this time. Go down the street.
You guys look so gorgeous. She's giving me like the most trouble ever. Unless this is like kicking my ass.
Once you put it on, you just gotta tighten it.
Okay.
And it's two at the bottom. You gotta put the lace in, but that's it.
How's the feeling?
Perfect.
Feeling good?
Things sitting up.
Cool. All right, time for the boys, I believe. Oh wait, you gotta do the top too. You gotta try the top one too. These are short.
That's a little tight for a short. Who waist going in there?
Well, it got an elastic to it, but the waist is a 33. And this also has a lace detail in the back. Damn, this don't spot.
I like this a lot.
Thank you. I was looking at his measurements because they sent it to me. I was like,
This don't look right.
yeah, I was like, something about this. It don't seem right.
This fit perfect. Like,
I heard.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, no, I have things.
Brandon. Oh, come this way.
Nikhil, something like that. Well, you can cancel the ride. I got it all figured out now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got it. I got everything laid out with their names on it.
If you do, let me know. I'll still book it out. You guys.
All right, y'all. So we are at the show. A couple of technical difficulties, but the clothes are done. I'm done crying. I worked to the very last minute. I did my fitting, and the girls are gorgeous.
How you got it laid out? Let me see. Like you look at it, you like this.
I'm about to lay it out.
And then almost packed out, and they are getting ready.
Now, I know you heard that Britney Spears got knocked out by security in Las Vegas during the NBA rookie weekend. If you touch me, you'll get knocked out like that too. Okay?
As this was my first collection, it was based on water, which is an element that goes into a lot of my creations. Yes, and I'm very proud. It was a great experience. I hope you guys liked it.
And I'm really excited. I've known Dionysus for some time. We used to have these things called, what was it called? Newberry Tuesdays. Remember that? And he was at Newberry Tuesdays, so I'm so excited to see him after COVID doing your bit or doing your dream. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do. As long as you sit there and you start doing it. Okay? Congratulations once on your first session. So I've been seeing you on social media, getting ready for this and everything. So I'm going to make sure you have your moment. Congratulations once again. I'm so proud of you. Give a round of applause, y'all. We don't go ahead and lose some things around DJ. Give me something regular with the for our final scene.
Alright, so the show is over. And I'm just really happy that I'm actually experiencing the feeling I was hoping I was going to feel. Like, throughout the whole process, I was stressed. I was like, but you know what? You're going to do it. You're going to finish it. And at the end, you're going to be happy. If you want me to be 100%, I was not believing that all the way. I was like, bitch, I ain't going to finish. But I finished. I really loved the designs. They were gorgeous. The girls were gorgeous. Their walks were amazing. They were stunning. But honestly, I was scared that like the fit of the garments was going to kind of mess up things, but it really wasn't all. I got a shout out from Kurt. He you know, it was my first fashion show, and I was really just kind of chill about it. It wasn't. I don't know. I guess I didn't make a big hype about it because I was kind of procrastinating the whole time, honestly. So now I can live in the moment. Now I can say I had fun. I made my clothes. And yeah, I did my big one. And my friends came. They all came. So they got all my pictures and videos.
All the videos, all the pictures.
He ate that shit the
He had the best outfits, best catalog, best everything. 10 out of 10.
Heavy on the father of the Dionysus
No
under the
crime.
instructions. Yeah.
Delicious.